Place Creations. Today I'm going to do a review on the Resin electric mixer. Comes with 2 mixings, the unit, and a very detailed instruction booklet. So all you have to do is take it out and charge it. It also comes with a cord. And on the bottom, as you can see, it has a place to slide this into. And there it goes. There's a multi-speed on the top. You want to go faster or slower. And today I just have some water so I can show you the mixer. And when I use it, I go around the sides, up and down. Just don't take the mixer out of the resin, because that will cause bubbles. I hit the bottom, I hit all the sides. That way I know it's mixed really well. And then when I'm done, I turn it off. And I always let it drip off. Pull it out of the unit, and I usually set it on a paper towel or something to let it dry. Or you can either set her down to let her dry, or you can stand her up to let her dry. It's your choice. But after you let it sit for a few minutes, you want to wipe it off with a towel or a paper towel, which I have forgotten to get one. And then you're ready to go. And that is the Resin electric resin mixer.